and welcome to our universe. Today we'll be talking about the gravity on other planets. So gravity is a very fundamental force in physics, and it's one that we take for granted on the planet Earth. But it's something that we just generally don't think about. We think that gravity is pretty much constant everywhere in the universe. Having only lived on one planet, humans are pretty much used to the Earth's environment. Gravity is measured in Gs, so therefore it's quite easy to categorize Earth as just a steady 1G, or you can call it 9.8 meters per second squared. However, if you would go into space, or set foot on the moon, the gravity would be very different, and something that Earthlings would not be used to.
Like half a G, right?
So putting it in layman's terms, gravity is dependent on mass. From stars, planets, galaxies, and even subatomic particles, gravity seems to rely on just one thing. The mass, though, can be categorized in three different ways. Its size, mass, and density. And this is what gives the object gravity. When it comes to the planets in our solar system, there is various size, density, and masses.
Like
Therefore,
Pluto?
the strength of the gravity on the surfaces can vary dramatically. So let's start off with the Earth's gravity. As noted before, it was 9.8 meters per second squared. This means that if you held an object and let go of it, it would accelerate towards the surface at a speed of 9.8 meters every second from the free fall.
I don't know
This
what
is a
meter
standard
is.
measurement to know the gravitational pull of a planet, and we express this in what's known as a single G. Isaac Newton's universal gravitational law states that two bodies can be expressed mathematically as a formula of a force,
what comes up must come down.
where F is the force, M1 and M2 are the masses of the objects interacting, and R is the distance between the centers of the object. There is also a gravitational constant. So now that we know how to mathematically figure it out, and use experimentation to prove this, let's see exactly how the gravity compares to the other planets in the solar system. So let's start off with Mercury. It has a mean radius of 2,440 kilometers, and has a mass of 3.3 times 10 to the 23 kilograms. Mercury is only around about a third of the size of Earth. This makes Mercury the smallest and least massive planet in the solar system.
What about Pluto?
However, it does have a high density, and this is just slightly lower than the Earth's density. Mercury has a surface gravity of 3.7 meters per second squared. So if you do the calculation, that's the equivalent of 0.38 G.
My head hurts.
So what's the gravity like on Venus? So Venus is a very similar planet to Earth, and
It's more deadly here.
known as the Earth's twin. Venus has a radius of just over 6,000 kilometers, and has a mass of 4.87 times 10 to the 24 kilograms. And as you can see, it's pretty much the same size as Earth, but just a tiny bit smaller.
So kill ya.
It again has around about the same density, but because of the lower density, the gravity changes. This comes out at 8.87 meters per second squared. This means that the gravity on Venus is just lower than Earth's, at 0.91 G. So what's the gravity on the Moon? The Moon is of course the only astronomical body where human beings are being able to test out gravity in person.
Took 3 days to get
The Moon
there.
is a very small object, at around 1,700 kilometers in radius. Its mass is 7.35 times 10 to the 22 kilograms, and of course it's only about the size of the United States. Because of its size and mass, it also has a low density. This means that the gravity is
Hey, the moon's about the size of the US. I did not know that.
per second squared.
That's
So the
interesting.
gravity is very low, at 0.17. This gives a great reason why the astronauts on the Apollo missions were jumping around like they were on a trampoline. It also gave them a great excuse to experiment on the gravity of the Moon, so you can do certain things on the surface of the Moon that you could never do on the surface of the Earth.
Like play around golf.
So what about Mars? Its size, mass, and density are very small compared to our home planet.
Safer
It
than
has a
work.
radius of over 3,000 kilometers, and has a mass of 6.42 times 10 to the 23 kilograms. But of course, it's a lot smaller than Earth. With this, it comes with a lower density, and therefore, its gravity
as well.
Okay, my head hurts.